Good morning, I'm Chris Beecham and welcome to your IG Morning Market Headlines for Friday the 21st of December. And as the world has not yet ended, we thought we'd best carry on with one of these market updates. But the FTSE, however, is definitely in rather apocalyptic mode, down 50 points at 59.05, once again hovering above that key 5900 level after quite a precipitate drop in overnight markets, with the S&P losing around 2% in its futures market to around 1391. This was prompted by the cancellation of a Republican vote on the Plan B proposed by Speaker John Boehner, and this now hands initiative to the White House after right-wing Republicans opposed the increase on taxes for those Americans earning over $1 million a year. The only hope now really for negotiations lies in direct talks between the President and Mr. Boehner, so do watch out for those as the day develops and indeed over the weekend. There's plenty of corporate news, however, with BAE signing a £2.5 billion contract to supply Oman with a 12 Eurofighter Typhoon aircraft. However, the shares are still down 2% this morning, caught up in the aforementioned fiscal cliff issues. Also on the economic front, we have US personal consumption data, the Chicago Fed, and the final December reading on the Michigan Consumer Confidence Index. And ahead of the open, we expect the S&P to start around 14 points lower at 1425. That's it for me. Do consult our insight platforms for additional news and analysis.